Hey, what's up everybody? So I am super excited today because I found something online, a forum, that talked about Rhodesian camo paint that they used to put on the old FNFALs. And one of them is Krylon Gloss Ivy Leaf, and the other one is Matte Spanish Moss. These are readily available. I do not have high hopes for this, okay? This is the ultra budget, ultra shortcut Rhodesian camo. But let's see. I'm going to demonstrate on this random plastic box. Let's see if we can get anything to look halfway, you know, halfway like what we want it. That's a little too bright for sure. Alright, let's see now. Alright, let's see. What do you think? Is it even remotely close? It's definitely brighter. It's a lot brighter color, and it is still wet, but there's something about this kind of color pattern of this bluish green and this kind of very ugly greenish yellow that, I don't know, it somehow goes together. It's like, it's so ugly that it works, I guess. And so I've always liked that camo pattern. And when I saw this, I thought, oh man, I gotta try that. Anyway, I was super excited about it. It's not like the greatest thing on earth, but anyway, just thought it was a fun thing to try. Cheers.